Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check the mic, headset jack, and any mute switches. Next, open Windows Settings, go to System then Sound, and make the device you want the default input. Once done, open Zoom and choose that same mic in Settings Audio. Make sure Bluetooth headsets are connected and not releasing audio. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter if you see no input level. It can automatically reset common permission and driver issues. Now you dig into drivers and permissions. Open Device Manager, find your microphone under Audio Inputs, and update the driver. If issues started after an update, roll back the driver. Next, make sure Windows privacy settings allow apps and specifically Zoom to access the microphone. Once done, go back to Zoom, open Audio, and run Test Mic while speaking. Adjust input volume slider and enable original sound if needed. If levels still fail, finish with Advanced Fixes. Open the microphone properties in Sound Control panel, go to Advanced, and disable Exclusive Mode so no app can lock the device. Then reinstall Zoom to clear corrupted app settings and reboot Windows to apply driver changes. Once restarted, reselect your input in both Windows and Zoom and run a final audio test. If problems persist, test the mic in another app to confirm hardware, and as a troubleshooting tip, boot Safe Mode to identify driver conflicts that block audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.